was the Bahamas with me.
Oh, great.
My tip, if you can't find a body in the area, if you feel like dating life sucks in your area, take a trip. Fly out. Go somewhere else. That's all I'm gonna say. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on my video, on my face, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Hi guys. Hello. So yes, I'm coming to the end of my Bahamas trip. Yeah, me a breakout because I have been drinking milk and cereal, and that is like, I'm addicted to it. Yeah, like scratch feeling for it. And I haven't had cereal like in over a couple of years now, and since I've been here I've been having it quite a lot. So I'm breaking out just a tad bit. But what I wanted to really talk about, no sponsorship here, but my favorite thing, two things since I've been here: this coconut water. But it's JBI Ireland coconut water with pulp. This right here, let me tap into focus. This right here, 10 out of 10 would recommend. And I also love the JBI salad dressing. Hold on, let me go and get it. I'm dressing up for dinner tonight, but this is how it looks. Let me tap in again. Tap in. JBI Ireland, what is this? Vidalia onion. So I think it's an onion from Brazil or something like that. Vinaigrette dressing, 10 out of 10 would recommend. And my cousins, they do it a certain way here, like they do the salad a certain way, and I really love it. They put the chop up sweet pepper. Jamaicans call it sweet pepper, but that's like basically the red, green, orange, yellow peppers, dice them up. They put cabbage in it, shredded cabbage, shredded carrot. What else I put in it? I like putting croutons on mine. They also put almonds, what else? Olives. Minute the almond, minute the olive. But I put almonds and olives on theirs. Really love it. I'll eat salad now and then, but I'm not gonna say I'm a salad girly. No, but I really enjoy that combination with the dressing. Chef kiss. What else? The coconut water that I love. So we're coming to the end. We did a lot. Yesterday my battery dead. My battery died on me. It died after when we got to the rum cake factory, which was horrible. That the battery died, not the rum cake factory. I love Bahamas. I love Nassau for all the free things that they give away in Nassau. I kind of planned and did like a 7 hours walking tour, 7 hours worth of walking yesterday. A slight tour that I created. So what we did, I start with breakfast. So I went to McDonald's, got a nice, Mac have a great breakfast menu. So I got some pancakes, hash brown, sausage, eggs, and tea. And after we were finished with there, we went and we started and we made chocolate. That was pretty good. Sad part is that when I got home, I realized that I packed my bag too much, so my chocolate cracked, unfortunately. And it was supposed to be a gift, but it's cracked. Anyways, my mommy enjoyed the experience, I believe. But it was really fun, and we tried a lot of chocolate. Listen, chocolate too sweet for me. I need a cleanse. I've been eating all type of things. Anyways, after we made the chocolate experience really good. 10 out of 10 would I recommend. I booked it online. After the chocolate experience, we left there and they had some chocolate samples as well. Yeah, my face, a breakout, yeah. But we left there and then we went to Tasty Teas. No. We left there and went to John Watson's rum distillery. Or John Watson distillery. Rum. Go drink some rum. We had a short tour. When we got there, we got pina colada on arrival, which was really good. And then we had after that, the pina colada, we had a short tour, and then after the tour they carried us to the bar area where you can buy drinks, you can take shots. We tried their amber, so the John Watson's signature amber flavor. very smooth, very nice. It got, of course, rum strong, and I'm not really a rum drinker, but it went on really nice. I love that. And then after that, what we did, we went straight down the road to Tasty Teas. Now this is a place that sells different type of teas. They had something called 21 Salute, and it's supposed to be an aphrodisiac, which is quite interesting. But they had some other teas, and we got some sample hibiscus, sample another one that's like good for your joints and your muscle. We had another one that was good for detox. So something like 3 teas yesterday. And then I would be interested in a 21 Salute. I mean, just because. But it was really hefty price, like $20 something feet. I was like, it's fine. But the man was like, well, it's 21 days of Salute, so there's that. But yeah, we left there and then went down into the town, and we went to the ATM. We went to the straw market to get some cute little things for my nephew. Of course, anyone may travel, I have to get some of my nephew, period, point blank. So we got some cute things for my nephew, and after that we stopped at this, like, them always like give out free things over here, sample things, and I love that. This sugar factory place, Sugar Dream something, that had free ice cream. So we sampled some ice creams. They had like a candy shop that you could buy different candies and stuff like that. But because I get stopping at the US after, I don't want to buy the candy and then I'm stale by the time I get home to my nephew, so I didn't buy any. But the ice cream was good, quite creamy, very, like, because I taste slight milk powder in it, so that's my only thing right there. But yeah, I don't know, should I have raised up the, I probably should have raised up the phone. I'll reposition the phone instead of look down, look into it. So after that, what happened? We went to ice cream, then we walked down to Rum Cake Factory. That was good. We got sample rum cake, of course. I bought rum cake. I bought one for my brother and his girlfriend. My mom bought one for herself. Of course, when I say she bought it, I bought it. I bought it for her. I bought it. Listen, I never traveled with my parents before. I never traveled with my parents before. I said this multiple times so far upon that trip here. Once a man really is twice a child. Wow. I don't understand how parents go out with them children, because children always want something to buy, want something to drink, want something to eat. Like, me really believe you have to have your money up before you have kids, because feeding myself is okay. Feeding somebody else takes a bit. And then see him, before you start date, you really probably need to have your money up, because feeding yourself is okay. Feeding somebody else, anyways, I digress. So we went to the rum cake factory. That was pretty cool. At first we bought one for my mom, because my mom said she wanted one, and then I heard about the Cancer Society over here, that they have a thrift shop. And you know me, if a volunteerism, if it's something to help anybody, me want to be a part of it. And I love thrifting, so I was really excited. So we walked up to the Cancer Society, and if you know, down from Rum Cake Factory up to the Cancer Society, it's a good little walk, like a 20 minutes or so. So we walk up there. Got up there only to realize that the thrift shop is open Monday, Wednesday, and Friday from 9 a.m. to 2 p.m. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Go and contribute at the Nassau Cancer Society thrift shop. Go do it. It goes a far way, of course, and you never know when somebody you know, or somebody who know somebody you know, might need some help. So do it. So unfortunately, yesterday was Thursday, so they were closed. And then I went into the ball. They have a ball gown room as well, where you could where you could buy a ball gown for like $50 and up. But all of the ball gowns are small. So I was considering to go back today, but I get up late. Mother Nature act up. I couldn't make it today. But I do know I'm coming back to the Bahamas, so that will be on my bucket list to do when I get back to the Bahamas, to go there. And now I know Monday, Wednesday, and Friday from 9 a.m. to 2 p.m. the Cancer Society, Nassau Cancer Society thrift shop will be open. So I'll go there, definitely, when I come back. What's else today? So we went up there, they closed, so we got some drinks, we sit down for a while, and then we come back down. And then we passed through the straw market one more time, and then we went over to Fish Fry to have late lunch, early dinner. We bought crack conch. I'll have some clippings. It's on my mom's phone, so I don't know how the quality is going to look. Sorry, but we bought crack conch, snapper, fried fish, big salad. We got peas and rice. We got plantains. We bought conch fritters. My mama said it's the best one she has had since she's been here. I kind of like it, but I really prefer the one down by West End that I went to. I think I have pictures of it. I'll include it as well. And I went down to West End. Yeah, and we have drinks and some, and we sat and we ate for a while, and then we got back to the apartment and chill, relax. And then today we're supposed to go to the Atlantis, and guess what? We didn't make it, but that's fine. Today I'm taking everything with a stride. We're supposed to go to the Atlantis today. We didn't make it because something went wrong with the person who was supposed to transport us car. And that's okay. It just simply means I have to come back to the Bahamas. That's all it means. I have to come back to the Bahamas. Point blank, period. So yeah. But however, I want to finish off with a nice little dinner for me and my mother. So we're going to go out and get some food. Like, there are a few restaurants like walking distance from here. I know she said she had never tried sushi before, and I saw that they have some cooked version, so we'll probably just get a quick sample, something like 6 of it. And then there's another restaurant right across that does like cook food, Bahamian food, so we'll probably go over there and just finish off. So get something light at the sushi place so she could just try it, and then go for dinner over the other side. What else? Yeah, what about things I'm gonna include just yet. I probably have to go and do a video. I know that one day we went down to West End in the afternoon. Like, we were supposed to go from earlier in the day, but we stopped Sunday. We had dinner with the family. My friend's cousin came to transport us and went down to West End, and we had conch fritters, and the fritters was really good. Like, them love dancehall over here because Bahamian music is high, but they're very big on dancehall and reggae over here, so they play a lot of dancehall and reggae that day, and that was really fun. What else? Yeah, I'm relaxing, we talk, and we did sit up on the street side, on the road side. That's a vibe. So that was really, really good. I'll show pictures and videos of it. Of course, you're going to see like inside they have like a bar area where you could get drinks, and they were playing dancehall music. And then on the outside, you can go out and you can order your conch fritters, you can order your Bahamian meals like peas and rice and fish and so on. So it was a really good vibes. And of course, we bought some drinks as well. Radler, the pink one, all Bahamians watching the video, if you're watching the video, I love you guys. Pink Radler. I think this is cranberry. That was really good. What else going on? What about something going on? What else have I done that I didn't do a video for? I don't know. When I edit the video, me just try to get through. But Bahamas has been absolutely amazing. After this, I will show clippings of dinner, of course. I did some pictures in this dress because I thought I was going to go to Atlantis before we went off to Grand Bahama. So here's the pictures of the full dress. We didn't go to Atlantis that night, and today I realized I'm not going to get to go for this trip, but that's fine. What else go on? What about something go on? What's your pimple? What about something go on? But it's been really good, and I absolutely love the Bahamas. Yeah. Listen, I hope you enjoy the video so far, and I'll go through and edit as best as I can. So yeah, we try to get some pictures for the doll. We'll insert, but she's looking all cute on her last day. How was the Bahamas?
Good. Not as good as before. Not as good as the last time I came.
But when you, but you never have no fun and enjoyment the last time you came. So that's what we're not talking about beauty and all that. We say, how was the Bahamas with me?
Oh, great.
How was yesterday? With the walking and...
Wow, I leave pain, but it was fun.
It was fun, right?
It was fun.
You got a lot of sweets and stuff like that.
Oh my God, enough sweet for the lifetime.
Yeah, how was the chocolate making experience?
Wow, that one was just wow. It just take my breath away.
What you enjoyed about it? Which part of it? Like, did you learn anything new?
Yes, I did.
What you learn?
Chocolate didn't made from chocolate. So, I'd stay away from white chocolate.
So what is white chocolate made from?
Sugar.
And
animal fat.
Yeah, which animal fat?
Cow fat.
Cow fat. You didn't know that cow fat make white chocolate?
I didn't know.
I didn't know. Did you know? You didn't know? Yeah. So we learned something new about the white chocolate. You had fun there.
Yes.
How was the rum at John Watlin's? How was it?
Wow, it was good, cool. You know, not strong, just
smooth.
Just smooth. Yes.
Yeah.
Very smooth.
How was the straw market?
Good.
What do you think about the pricing?
Good.
Yeah, they never bad, right?
No. And I wish we could have that. We used to have that in Jamaica. I wish we could have it back. Where nobody rush any guests. You just
orderly.
Everybody just sit and the guests just go smoothly. You look, and it was just. That is all we used to have our straw market. I wish we could have it, and you see tourists, everybody. Yeah.
We tried. We got a free sample of ice cream. How was that for you?
Okay.
It was okay.
But it wasn't breathtaking.
But it was okay. It was okay.
It was okay.
Anyways, we're going out to dinner right now. My hand tired for you to hold up the phone, so catch you guys at dinner. Bye. Thank you for watching. Mwah! Enjoy the video. Like, share, subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Turn on your post notifications, and I see you in the next video.